A lot of the sounds that you hear in the track were processed through the Happy Nerding FX Aid and the Qubit data bender. The track wouldn't be what it is without these two pieces of musical gear. So I wanted to do sort of a breakdown on how these two pieces have affected the way I make music and the kind of sounds that I'm getting now. So especially for this sound right here, which is sort of the soul of the track, I guess. That came from a sample that I had in my black box. And what I did is I took the output from my black box and plugged it into the FX Aid, and I have the left and right outs going into the data bender and the data bender going out to my Pico output, which then gets sampled into my SP404. So with the FX Aid at 50% dry wet, this is what the sample sounds like. It's like a flanger delay. And this is with the data bender, the mix knob at 50/50. And hear how this simple vocal run through both of these effects created the digital Eden track. So let's have at it. We can do the data bender without the FX Aid, so we can just hear how it really mangles the sample. So that was cool, just the data bender by itself. But I think it benefits by having the FX Aid in front of it. And that's just a little example of how my setup is running right now and how I'm utilizing my Eurorack system with my Groovebox and both of my samplers. I think it's a really explorative setup, and I'm excited to build out the rest of this effects box and see where we go from here. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.